so much for being here and watching. Today we're opening up a new subscription to our channel, and it's pretty different than all the other boxes we have opened. This is called Israelpack. And this box actually comes from Israel. You get 6 to 8 full-size items, and they say their products are family-oriented, and they help you get to know Israel a little bit better. So it's all lifestyle products, so really it could be a little bit of everything. I'm super excited to see what is inside. This was sent to me free for review, and they also provided a link that will save you 35%. So I'm going to leave all the information down below. Before we get started, I just want to say hi. If you are new here, my name is Kitty. I open subscription boxes every single day here in our channel, so if you're into that, I would absolutely love it if you subscribed and joined us. We recently hit 9,000 subscribers, so we have a giveaway going on. I will link that at the end of this video in a thumbnail, so if you have not yet entered, you can do so after this. Oh, it's totally storm season in Florida, so if you guys can hear rain or it seems a little dark in this video and probably in a lot of upcoming videos, that's what's going on. But let's get this open. I'm so curious. It's pretty heavy. Oh, and when you sign up on their website, you do get to customize it a little bit. They ask you your preferences. When I open it up, I seriously drop something every time I do this and try and show you guys a sneak peek, but that's what it looks like. So what dropped? Oh, so there's like a little QRS code to learn more about the products. That's cool. And then it looks like they have a referral program. So that's great. If you guys subscribe and you invite a friend, then you'll get a free box. And then there's this piece of paper on top. The Jewish state's best contribution to world's cuisine is undoubtedly the Israeli breakfast. Oh, so they talk about food. Oh my god, I'm hungry. This sounds amazing. Israeli salad, Israeli spices, olives. I love olives. Oh my god, doesn't that look so good? And it gives you a recipe on the back. How fun. The recipe is for shakshuka. Hopefully I'm pronouncing that correctly. And then all of the items are wrapped up. So let's see what we got. Wow, this is really well packaged. Something smells good. I just pulled out the first item. Let's get it out of the plastic wrapping. It looks like it might be olives. I hope so. When I was younger, I used to not like olives. Now when I got a little bit older, like my dad would give me his blue cheese stuffed olives from his dirty martinis, and that's what made me fall in love with olives. I don't know if that's the best story, but they're so good. Yes, definitely. I can't read the labeling, but I can just see that it is olives, and this is a good portion size. Let's see if we have any information here. We do. So olives with lemon, yum, and this is from Zeta Olive, and Zeta was founded over 20 years ago and is known as one of the best olive brands in Israel for its quality, unique flavor, and aroma. The olives are cultivated in groves nestled amid the hills and valleys in Galilee and northern Israel. Oh my god, I cannot wait to eat these later. Sounds so good. Next up, we have this here, and this is a handmade pot holder, and this is from Top. This is made from durable 100% cotton, easy to wash, resistant to bleach, and heat resistant to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. This is so pretty. So one side's a little bit lighter than the other. I could totally use this. I don't really have much stuff like this, and I really want to start cooking, and there's the label there. Awesome. So pretty. I love green. The next item is wrapped up in some bubble wrap, so let me take this off. Ooh, yay, it's olive oil. I'm so excited to try olive oil actually from Israel. This is so awesome. This is the label, and this is from Lynn's Farm, and it says, this high quality olive oil is perfect as a condiment in salad dressings, as a bread dipper, as a base for uncooked sauces, to name only a few examples. Oh my god, I cannot wait to try this. Why'd they have to say bread? I want some bread and olive oil right now. Ooh, it looks like we have some hand cream here. This is Shea and Macadamia Nourishing Natural Hand Cream. And this is from Saban Michael. It's a sad truth of housekeeping that even if you wear gloves, your hands will still wind up dry after cooking and cleaning. Using an antibacterial soap can dry out your skin. Instead, wash your hands with a natural moisturizing soap, and don't forget to use hand cream several times a day. Natural skincare products will help keep your hands soft. Oh my god, lately my hands have been extra dry. Like I feel like right here it's really evident on my hand. So I apply moisturizer all the time already, but I mean, as we all probably are, I've been washing my hands even more frequently than usual, so I could totally use this. This is so cute too. Maybe I'll like leave this in one of my bathrooms. Let's try a little bit. So that is what the little pump looks like. There's the product. Ooh, this does feel really nice. Oh, and it has like a light kind of lemon scent. I like it. It smells so good actually. I love the scent of lemon. I don't even know if there's lemon in this, but that's what I smell and it smells good. The next item is in this drawstring bag, so let me get this out. Oh, and it's wrapped up as well. It looks like a little bowl. Oh my god, this is beautiful. Isn't that so pretty? So this handmade bowl is from K Clay and it says easy to use and clean. You can serve sauces, dips, or olives in this small clay bowl. Oh, I'll put my olives in this later. This is so pretty. I love this. Oops, I'm like displaying everything with my one fingernail, it's chipped. All my other ones are nice and pretty. I should show you this like that. Now there's still, looks like 3 things to go, 3 items. And we have another item from Saban Michael. So we got the hand cream and there's also matching hand soap to go with it. I mean, I'm definitely putting this in one of my bathrooms. I'm gonna keep it in the packaging because it's just so cute. So I like how it has a drawstring bag, so you can store the soap in there if you'd like. Next up, we have hot red paprika with oil. I love spicy. This sounds amazing. I just love spices in general. So where is this? So this is from Pereg Natural Foods, and paprika is perfect for shakshuka, omelet, spaghetti, Moroccan, fish, and hummus. Ooh, I love hummus. I don't know why, yeah, so it's hot paprika, because I was gonna say, paprika's not always like super hot, but it depends on who you're asking. Like I can handle a lot of like spicy dishes. Some people can even have paprika and think it's a little much. I love it. And it says, and it talks a little bit about the company. It says Pereg started in 1906 as a small spice cart and today it produces more than 60 varieties of spices and herbs. Oh my god, and this is a large container. You can get a lot of use out of this. I need to make some hummus. Oh, I want hummus with the olives and some good bread. I want to do that so bad. So last item. Man, this looks so good too, and I could have this with my bread and my olives and my hummus. This is dried tomato spread. So this dried tomato spread with basil is from Lynn's Farm, and it says ideal for shakshuka. You can also elevate your toast with savory Mediterranean flair by spreading bread with this healthy dip. Yum. Oh my god, and I'm looking at this. Shakshuka sounds really good. I'm pretty sure I've had this before, so I'm just gonna tell you what's in it. So you need 4 eggs, 1 onion, 1 yellow bell pepper, 2 tomatoes, half a cup of Lynn's Farm tomato spread, right here, 3 tablespoons of Lynn's Farm olive oil, so we have that, 2 cloves of garlic, half a teaspoon of the hot paprika, which is optional, so depending on your preference of spice, salt to taste, and then 4 to 5 sprigs of fresh parsley. And it looks really easy to make. Oh my god, it sounds so good. I'm totally gonna do this. Dice all the vegetables, saute the onion in oil until it's translucent, and then you add the yellow pepper, garlic, tomato, and tomato spread. Add the hot paprika if you want it to be spicy, and salt, and simmer until the vegetables are cooked through. And then you drop the eggs into the tomato mixture, cover and cook until the eggs are just set and garnished with fresh parsley. Bring the frying pan directly to the table. Set it on a trivet and spoon out the shakshuka and serve with pita or flatbread. Oh my god, I'm going to the grocery store and getting what I need for this. I have like, you know, most things besides like the produce I get. Oh my god, it sounds amazing. Yum. Guys, this box was so great. I love how we can like use a lot of the items and they give us a recipe in a way we can use them as well. I seriously love this style of like food and everything too. So I am so excited. This is such a great box. So we got a little bit of stuff for cooking, some olives, olive oil, the tomato spread, the spices, and then also for cooking we have the pot holder. which we can use for our shakshuka. And then we have some skincare hand soap and some moisturizer, which we all could use. So I think this is super great. I would love to know your opinions down below. And again, I'm gonna link Israel Pack down below, and that link will directly apply that 35% off, which is a lot of money. This is an expensive box. It's $99, but with that code, it comes out to be like around $65. I think you save almost $35. So that is super great. Yeah, it makes sense because it's almost $100, 35%. So yeah. I'm a doctor. So yeah, that's a great deal, and I think this is great. They're a brand new company, and I think they're doing a great job, and I get a lot of subscription boxes, so it's nice to get one that's different, and I think this is different in a good way. I really liked it. Again, I'd love to know your thoughts down below. But anyways, I hope you guys are all safe and healthy. Thank you so much for being here and unboxing this with me. I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.